Now with the Make Something You Love iron-on materials kit, you can make a personalized gift of encouragement for just about anyone on your gift list. This girl can is a custom graphic that we designed just for you. To get started, you'll take the materials out of the box and you need the solid pink iron-on and the glitter iron-on, both the 12 by 12 sheets. You'll also need your standard grip mat. You'll need your weeding tool. I'm going to be using the Bright Pad today as well as the Easy Press. So you'll need both of those machines, or you can use your household iron. Now with the materials, you want to cut both the pink and the glitter to 7 by 8 inches, both the same size, because our iron-on the t-shirt is 2 separate colors. With the shiny side of the material down, place the 8-inch width in the top left corner of your mat. Since we're starting from scratch today, you'll select this girl can, insert the image onto the mat. Select the image and under Edit, change the width to 7.25 inches. Now we're ready to cut. Once you have applied the material to the mat, you can use the brayer to get the bubbles out of the material so that you have an even cut. Now you'll notice that we're ready to cut the pink layer of the design, and we want to make sure up here in the mats to turn on the mirror for iron-on. So make sure that you do this every time you're cutting with an iron-on project. Mirror iron-on. Select continue, and then we'll tell the Cricut Maker the material that we're going to cut from. Select the material iron-on from the choices, the thousands of choices for your Cricut Maker, and it will make sure that you have the fine point blade loaded, and it tells you to load the mat. When ready, press the Cricut button and you're ready for your first cut. For the second cut, you'll add the glitter iron-on, again face down, shiny glitter side down on the mat with the 8 inches horizontally at the top of the mat. Load it into the machine and press cut. Now we're ready to weed our cuts. Using the Cricut Bright Pad to weed your cuts makes weeding so super simple. And I don't know about you, but the last time I had to weed anything with the glitter iron-on, I found that the Bright Pad was a necessity. Now, because you can't actually see through these very well to get your cuts, the glitter is nice and dense, and you know that you need to remove the counters of the letters, and you definitely need to be very careful in removing all the pieces. I like to use the little pick end of this to hold on to those pieces as well. So if you're very good at being detail oriented, weeding can be a lot of fun. Now we're going to transfer both of these cuts to our t-shirt surface using the Easy Press. Using your Cricut Easy Press for a t-shirt iron-on, you want to turn on the power, set the temperature to 340 degrees, and the timer to 30 seconds. I'm using the new Easy Press mat to work with my t-shirt. It's great for protecting your work surface. You want to warm up the surface for 10 seconds with the temperature at 340 degrees so that you're priming the surface to accept the iron-on properly. Position your first layer of the iron-on exactly where you want it, and I'm doing this in the center of the t-shirt, and set the Easy Press on top. press the green Cricut button and hold with light pressure on top of the iron-on. So once you've transferred the first color, you want to let it cool for at least 1 to 2 minutes before removing the overlay. And do this very carefully. Now I've already applied my second color of the pink by aligning the color over the gold glitter, so you match up the centers of the flowers. The only difference here is that the Easy Press is set to 320 degrees for the iron-on light, and again at 30 seconds. The Cricut maker strikes again with an easy project that's beautiful in the making.